Hello. Now, in order to design binary to BCD code converter, I need to make the K map. Okay. So, I have made the K map for each of the BCD bits, that is KMNOP, based on the binary bits A, B, C, D. Hope you know how to make the K map. So here is the K map for K. Here I have put the CD bits 00, 01, 10, 11, and AB is vertically 00, 01, 10, 11. Now, you know how the K maps, all the squares means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Now, K, if you see, K is 0 till the value of decimal 9. Okay, and 10 to 15, K is 1. So, for K map, how it is? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. If I solve the K map, what I get? For this one, I get AB plus AC. If I solve it, I get AB plus AC. K equal to AB plus AC. Now, you see the M. Okay. M is 1 for which value? M is 1 for 8. M is 1 for 9. Then M is 1 for 8 and 9 only. 8 and 9 are 1. So, M is equal to A, B dash and C dash. So, this is how we solve for. Now, we will see for n bit of BCD. In order to solve the K map of n bit of the BCD, for 4 it is 1, for 5 it is 1, for 6 it is 1, for 7 it is 1, 4, 5, 6, 7 it is 1, and what else? It is 1 for 14 and 15. Now we will solve the K map for n. You see, for 4 it is 1, 5 it is 1, 6 it is 1, 7 it is 1, 14 and 15. So on solving the K map, what I get is that n is equal to A dash B plus BC. Now for O. Now see the O bit of the BCD. For K map, what you see? For 2 it is 1. For 3 it is 1. For 6 it is 1. For 7 it is 1. Then for 12 it is 1. For 12 it is 1. And for 13 it is 1. Now you foresee for O is equal to 2, 3, 7, 6, 7, 12, 13. So O is equal to A dash C plus A B C dash. Now we will solve the K map for P. Okay, for decimal number D, we see that P for P is 1 for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. So you see it is 1 for 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now this is the K map for P. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, P is equal to D. Now here is the design of the code converter. Here are the binary inputs. You see A, B, C, D. These are the not of A, B, C, D. A naught, B naught, C naught, D naught. Now the K, that is BCD output, K is equal to AB plus AC as per the K map. So A, B, AB, A, C, AC, they goes to the AND gates, and now this is the OR of the two, that is K. Now M is equal to A, B dash, C dash. So M is equal to A, B dash, C dash. This is M, this is the AND gate. Now N is equal to A dash B plus BC. So N is equal to A dash, A complement, B goes to the AND gate, BC, BC go to the another AND gate. Now we OR them. For N, you see A dash, B go to the AND gate, and here BC that go to another AND gate. Now we OR them, we get N. Now for O and P, O is equal to, as per the K map, A dash C plus A, B, C dash, and P is equal to D. So here is the O and here is the P. Hope you understood the design. Now I will explain you with an example. Let's see. Suppose the binary input is 10. 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. What I expect the output? I expect K, M, N, O, P as 1, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let's see whether I get it or not. A goes here, A and B. So 0. B is 0. A and C 1. So K is 1. Correct? M. A, B dash, C dash. M is equal to A, B dash and C dash. Now A is equal to 1, B dash is equal to 1, C dash is equal to 0. So it is 0. M is 0. Now N. Okay, N is A dash B plus BC. N is A dash, that is 0. B, A dash B, 0, 0, 0. BC, 0, 0, 1. So it is 0, 0, 0, 0. Now comes the O. So O is A dash C plus A, B, C dash. So A dash C is equal to A dash C. A dash is 0. Here it would be 0. So here it is 0 and here it is A, B, C dash. A is 1, B is 0, C dash is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So answer what we get is this. So hope I am able to make you understand the code conversion of BCD binary to BCD. And BCD is the binary encoding of decimal number. If you like this video, if you found this relevant, please like it, please share it, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.